Hi, I'm Anshika, and this project didn't begin with a grand idea or a serious goal. It began with a quiet thought. What if I built something just because I wanted to, not to solve a problem, not to prove a skill, not to impress anyone, just to feel the joy of creating again? That's how NeuroFit was born. NeuroFit isn't loud. It doesn't rush you. It doesn't demand progress or results. It's a gentle space, a calm pause, a place where your brain can simply exist without pressure. While building this project, I allowed myself to slow down. I stopped asking if it was useful. I stopped worrying about whether it made sense. Instead, I followed curiosity. I let the project be weird, a little unnecessary, a little playful, a little imperfect. And that's when it became special. NeuroFit feels like a reflection of how I felt while building it: soft, calm, and present. Every interaction feels intentional, not to achieve something, but to experience something. Building this reminded me that creativity doesn't always need direction. Sometimes, the most honest ideas appear when you stop trying to control them. This project taught me that innovation isn't only about big solutions. Sometimes, innovation is choosing joy over productivity, choosing expression over perfection, choosing vibes over validation. I enjoyed every moment of building NeuroFit, not because it was easy, not because it was flawless, but because it felt real. This project gave me space to enjoy the process again, to experiment, to smile, to build without fear. NeuroFit may not change the world, it may not be useful, it may even be a little pointless, but it changed how I felt while creating. And for me, that makes it meaningful. That's why NeuroFit exists, and that's why I loved building it.